here is a tutorial on how to create a custom shot for playing training with bots. So you can train whatever scenario you want against bots and improve in that area. So first thing we got to do is make sure that we have training with bots enabled. Perfect. Doesn't matter who you're playing against or anything, but we're just gonna start match. Then it'll drop us into Rocket League here. Again, hit start and go to, you can create it in free play or in custom training. For the first one, I'm going to do custom training. Yep, it has to be favored. That way it's in here. So we're just gonna do that one. All right, when we're in here, we're going to hit C. So that way we're in the create a shot mode, so that way it knows what to look for. And then first, we can set up the car and the ball. So what we can do here, another small caveat is that if you're using the first shot in the training pack, you have to change from the first one. Otherwise there's a weird offset, and for some reason this fixes it. So here we go. So now let's say this is the shot I want to add. I'm just gonna use throttle and then hit pause. And then to save the ball state, I'm going to hit 0. Then to save my car's state, I'm going to hit 1. Alright, by doing that. And then what I can do now is go over here, and whatever my car is doing, that's what the first bot's going to do. So let's say, the first bot is rotating back post. So then we can hit 2. And then if you want a second bot, it's completely optional, but let's say one is, rotating back over here. It also doesn't matter if we reset the shot, but let's say one's just rotating back over here. We can pause it and hit 3. And then I'm all set with that. If I want to redo one, I can go back and, set up the ball how I want and hit 0, and it'll copy over the balls, or the saved ball state right now. But I'm all set, so I'm going to hit 4 to save. Perfect. And I forgot to have the terminal up, but there gives you indicators there. And now that we did that, everything's good to go, and it'll save into the shot archive. So I can hit C to exit. And then I usually restart RLBot with all this, so that way it runs smoother. So I will do that. So we are relaunching RLBot and launching Rocket League with our train with bot scripts enabled. As we load in, because there are 3 shots by default, our shot will be the 4th one played, so we'll jump ahead there. Okay, and here's the 5th shot, so it should be similar to the one that we just started. Yep, see how we got the goalie over there, the dude rotating back. And there we go. Here I'm hitting C. That way I never create a shot mode. And that way I can show you how to create one using free play. So we're gonna hop into free play. And basically what you have to do is set up all the elements yourself. So let's say I just want the ball rolling. We'll do something like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to position my car going like this how I want. I'm going gonna hit pause. I'm gonna hit 1 because that saves the player's data. And I'm gonna have the ball rolling. I'm gonna hit 0 because that saves the ball's data. Now the terminal's freaking out. Alright, and then let's say I want the defender to be on the back wall here. Driving up the back wall, so I'm going to hit 2. And then the last defender can be doing a squishy save. And we can hit 3. Not the most useful shot, but just for an example. And then let's say, you know what? I didn't like exactly where it was for that ball. So now I can go back. Let's say I want to be here instead. I can hit 1 again, and it'll save over the previous data and use this new one. Now that I'm all set, I'm going to hit 4, and it saves the shot. And that's how you do it for free play.